want to discover a little piece of Vietnam. Parang eto na in Hanoi.
Work is almost over, summer's getting closer.
Good morning, mga Zoom! Welcome back sa aking channel. At still, mga Zoops, dito sa video na to, nandito pa rin tayo ngayon sa Vietnam, Hanoi. At ngayon, alam niyo ba kung nasaan ako? Ako ay nasa coffee shop. Ang kanilang famous coffee na pinupuntahan. Actually, kahit saang area dito, merong coffee shop. Kaya sobrang lucky ni Andy dahil matitikman niya ang iba't ibang timpla ng kape dito, kung meron man. Feeling ko ang dami kasing flavor. So, ang ganda ng mga coffee shop dito, especially kung nasaan ko. Look here. We can move here. Ayan, lilipat kami dito. Ang ganda, diba?
Parang I'm still tired.
Oo nga, parang namamaga pa rin yung mga mata namin. Bakit nga ba? Naglalakad na kami papuntang venue. 600 meters lang siya. And hindi masyadong mainit kasi umulan kanina.
It's quite cool actually.
Malamig yung hangin.
Dapat we have like a warm-up jacket or something.
Papunta kami sa venue kasi magre-register na kami para sa game. Para makuha na yung mga registration freebies. Tsaka yung pass namin.
Siya lamig.
Oo, ang lamig niya.
And now the morning traffic. Although apparently it's not very busy here in Hanoi compared to Ho Chi Minh. And I think we're in a side that's not so busy. Sabi nila sa old quarters, sobrang busy na.
Oo, pagkatapos yata namin mag-practice, pupunta na kami ng old quarters. Tapos tomorrow, or later tonight, tama. Darating pa yung iba naming mga friends. 4 yun. Kaya masaya.
How about we won't see them until tomorrow, don't you think? Ayun ang may
Kasing pa tayo.
Christian Dior car.
Wow.
Wow naman.
So ayan, Sheraton. Doon yung hotel namin.
Malapit sa
At sa yun yung venue.
Ayan, go na.
Go na?
You know, win.
Nakikita niyo yung mga palm trees. Sa dulo ng palm trees doon yung location. Ang daming motor, oh.
Tell them how to cross the street in
Oh, we cross na rin kaya doon.
data. Yeah,
Ah, pero stop,
right
no?
there. Okay lang. Direction na lang.
Dito na lang. gold quarter kung saan matatagpuan ninyo kung nasaan kami ang Note Coffee. So bakit siya Note Coffee? Because as you can see, ang daming notes sa paligid. At yan ay the whole place. Kung makikita ninyo mamaya, papakita ko sa inyo. Sitting table. Kung ano yung pwede natin ilagay. Actually, they have like this in Cebu. I remember, nakapunta ako before sa Cebu. May ganito din, pero hindi pa puno. Di ba?
Yeah.
This is since 2012. Okay. So, ayan. Meron na nito sa Manila, sa Cebu. Gayahin natin, maglagay tayo na ganito sa Manila. Ang cute. Sobrang cool. Tapos, pwede tayong magsulat din, syempre. Lagyan natin yung date, parang memories na meron din tayo dito. Remembrance. Pakita ko sa inyo yung ibang mga nakasulat. Kung nakikita ninyo, may mga dedication sila dyan. Yung iba, syempre, international. Hindi natin masyadong mabasa. Diba? As we travel on, love what we'll remember. Oh, ang dami talaga. Grabe. Ayan, puro notes yan, guys.
You stick it down. You made 3?
All the kids and you. This is for you.
What does mine say? Ayun, meron. May space dyan sa roof.
Mimi, Spider.
Was at the
Yan guys, so we just finished up at No Coffee. We are walking around. I'm just hoping, make sure I don't fall in the water.
It's your fault pag nalaglag ka dyan. Malalim kaya yan?
Hindi naman ata kasi maliit lang yung fish. But yeah, we're just walking around. Mas may feel na Vietnam to. Ang daming turista. Tapos may mga tourist attractions. So, yeah, we're just taking a look. This is Old Quarter, diba? And so if you're looking to go in a certain area here, you want to discover a little piece of Vietnam. Parang eto na in Hanoi. Maganda, daming shops, daming food places.
Daming restaurant, tsaka mga parang tindahan.
Tapos ang daming coffee. Ang daming coffee. So, yan. We'll walk around for a bit. We actually don't know where we're going, or do we have a plan? Walang plan ata, no? Ayun guys, look, in the middle of Old Quarters, may badminton / pickleball court. Pero walang net. So this is what Vietnam looks like. I love it. It's so, I mean, I don't know, but it looks very authentic to me. And I like this type of stuff when you travel. Seeing the authentic side, not the modern side of places. Ang daming store. Daming motorbike.
Magi ang stay.
Yes.
Yeah. Versus home. Sige na, ngayon lang ako nag-request. Magi, ito na ang aming kakainin.